All right. So this is my first video back in 2016. I'm trying to do a lot of new things, regarding my art and stuff. I probably sound weird because I'm far away from the mic or whatever. Uh, so pretty much this is going to be my concept art for you know Rose, Rose Valentino, and pretty much this is I believe this is the third or so concept art for her, maybe fourth. Um, so I have this new drawing tablet here, and I'm probably going to be just uploading nothing but these videos of me just drawing. Pretty much, since it's game related, I just decided if I go ahead and you know share it with you. So this is it here. Um, this is not a Wacom tablet. This is a Huion, which is they're pretty much like second place in terms of quality or whatever. So here it is. I can zoom in all the way. I can go really in there if I really wanted to, but there's no need to really go that much in because it's too pixelated. Um, so I just keep it up. But this is what I've been working on. I have some other ones that I'm going to show you. Um, Let me go to this one right here was just a sketch. So this was a sketch. This is some concept art for uh, Elizabeth, which is the second character, or the antagonist rather. And so this is her concept. I didn't really mean to do much with this. I just kind of just I think this is when I was first testing out the tablet, somewhere around in there. I was getting used to it, so I just kind of did some hair and stuff like that. Kind of getting used to how the tablet works and whatnot. Um, and here's the lining and whatnot. So pretty much what I want to do, what these characters is really, I want to draw at least a a good five concepts first, and then see what I like from those different concepts from those characters. Um, being five different pictures that is, and then I'll just make that the final product. Um, I have to do another character, which is Scarlet. Then I'm also did this one right here, which is just the eye, for how the eye will look for the main character Rose. Um, and then right here, this is actually the first thing. Rather, this is actually the first thing I did on this tablet, which was I pretty much took a picture. I took the picture, I drew, and I took a picture of it, and I put it into Photoshop, and now I am painting over it so I can see what it looks like. Uh, so I see what it looks like over if I were to paint it, pretty much. So, for example, if I were to go here, turn up the brush and turn down the opacity to about, let's say, 14, right? Let's kind of make that brush bigger. All right, so let's kind of, if I were to go like this, right, it's already getting colored in, um, pretty much. So then you already have it there. You get the idea, but that's what I'm pretty much trying to do. But then again, say if I go, see, if I get it a little bit higher. Pretty much what I want to do for the characters. I'm trying to this year. I really am trying to go hard and making the characters, how they look, make sure they look authentic to the game that I am trying to make. Um, looks like our face is glowing now, but you get the idea. Um, let's go down. But pretty much, I should be getting a final model, or not final. I should be getting a pretty good model pretty soon. You just have to really bear with me. So this is what I've been up to since I've uploaded a month ago, um, and other things as well. I don't want to just make like I just playing games is it's cool and everything, but after a while, you want to get to what you're doing, what you really want to do. That's what I really want to do with this channel. I kind of want to make it towards me creating um, my own game. So this is just kind of like an update, I guess, of what I've been doing. The reason why I haven't been really uploading actually looks pretty good when you look at it. But so I'm going to be doing more, making more videos again. I've also been working a lot, so that takes a lot more time. I'm get 3 days off I think of work, and I work 4 days, so it's kind of hard to try to fit it all into one schedule. But pretty much, I have an Instagram. I'll probably put that in the link, some in future videos. So, wow, this actually looks really good. I'm just playing with this. I'm not even trying to make it look decent. I'm just kind of testing it out, and it already looks good. So as you can see, it may look different on the screen because it depends how it looks, you know, whatever. But you get the idea. That's what I'm trying to do. For example, if I turn down the opacity some more, a little white, turn it up a little bit more. I can create glow and make like her eyes just glowing by using like this one right here, which looks kind of like glow. See if I were to go to the hair color now. Let's turn that up. Let's see, 35. Let's turn the brush all the way up. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Like I said, I'm not entirely sure. Once I start school, I'm probably going to really. When I start school, I'm probably really barely going to be putting videos. I'm only going to put a video up when I have an update of my, the game that I'm making. I'm going to go to school. I'm going to learn how to make character models. I'm going to learn that. I want to do a lot this year. I mean, I want to do a lot. I'm not fucking around this year. I really am going to get to work this year. So pretty much that's all I have to say, really. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you will stay tuned. I don't know if I'll do more gameplay videos. I'll do more gameplay videos, of course, but I don't know if I will be consistent with them like I used to be. And that's for certain reasons, of course. I'm not getting many views, but I'm going to try and take my channel in a bit of a different direction than I usually have intended to. Hopefully it'll look a lot better than this, trust me. But it actually don't look too bad. It looks really weird on the computer screen, but it's a bit too bright. If I made her, I guess I turn now. I probably should not use the glow or the skin or whatever. The reason why it looks like that. So, pretty much, guys. I'll see you guys all next time. This has been a little update. I know I haven't did a video in a month, so this is what I'm going to be doing from now on. I'm going to be giving you, updates on my characters that I make, with her. Then up there's a road. As you can see, these are different. This one is looks more cartoony. This one is rather more. This is probably the look that I'm going for. This is probably her third concept art, and this is like maybe her fourth. I don't know. I'll do a video of all the other characters or all the other different concepts of her. And yeah, so pretty much, guys. I'll see you guys all next time, and peace out.